Hello students, welcome to Saurav Sir's classes. The question is, let x1 up to xn be a random sample from a normal 0, sigma squared population where sigma greater than 0. Which of the following testing problems have or has the region where summation xi squared I ranging from 1 to n is greater than or equal to chi squared with n degrees of freedom and alpha level of significance as the most powerful critical region. Now we have been given that the critical region is summation xi squared greater than is equal to chi squared n degrees of freedom at the alpha level of significance. Now for testing the variance, we always use a chi squared test. Now since under H naught we have sigma squared to be equal to 1, xi follow normal 0, 1. So the critical region can be given as, for a upper one-tailed alternative hypothesis to be h1 to be equal to sigma squared greater than 1. Thus, seeing the options, we get option A and B to be the correct answer because h1 is equal to sigma squared 2 for option A and h1 is equal to sigma squared 4 for option B. So option A and B are the correct answer. The next question is, let x1 up to x10 be a random sample from a normal 3, 12 population. Suppose y1 is equal to 1 by 6 summation xi where I ranges from 1 to 6 and y2 is equal to 1 by 4 xi where I ranges from 7 to 10. If y1 minus y2 whole squared by alpha has a chi square 1 distribution, then the value of alpha is, so now y1 is equal to 1 by 6 summation xi where I ranges from 1 to 6 would be following normal 3, 12 by 6 distribution, that is normal 3, 2 distribution. Since if x follows normal mu, sigma squared, x bar follows normal mu, sigma squared by n. From here we get this result. Similarly, y2, which is 1 by 4 summation I is equal to 7 to 10 summation xi would follow normal 3, 12 by 4 distribution, that is normal 3, 3 distribution. Now y1 minus y2 follows normal mu1 minus mu2 sigma 1 squared plus sigma 2 squared. So they would follow normal 3 minus 3, 2 plus 3, that is normal 0, 5. Therefore, y1 minus y2 minus 0 by root over 5 would follow a standard normal variable, that is normal 0, 1. Now squaring both sides, we get y1 minus y2 squared by 5 to follow chi squared with 1 degrees of freedom, since xi squared follows chi squared with 1 degrees of freedom where xi follows normal 0, 1. So from here we get the value of alpha to be equal to 5.